Okay, yo, what's good, yo? So yesterday I made this beat, and I just wanted to show you something cool that I figured out. So that you should put in your beats. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're gonna stop it there. So if you guys caught it, I switched the melody up right here and here. And I think it's important instead of just looping it. So control B doesn't work, but we're just gonna shift it. Instead of just looping it like this, it gets old after like a while. So unless you're pitching an octave down, holy cow, why is this control B not work? So because this adds variety when you switch up the melody. So I'm gonna go into the MIDI real quick and show you the difference. So this is the first melody, this one right here. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the second melody, which is this one, not this one. Somewhere here, it's right here. So I kept the bass notes the same, but I changed the top melody because if, like I was saying earlier, if you're just looping the whole thing, it's gonna sound so boring. So what I've explained in other videos also is if you make it unique, stretch it, it's not gonna sound good because there's already bass notes on this. But if you don't have, like what I'm talking about is these notes, if you pitch this down, it would sound terrible, or pitch it up, it would sound terrible. Well, actually not as bad if you pitch it up, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna show you what this sounds like if I pitch it up. It's gonna add so much more variety. Yeah, so see, it sounds terrible because I have the bass notes. But if you had like a melody without bass notes or the bass notes separated, then it would sound. Here, I'm actually gonna do that. So I'm gonna make this without the bass notes and then make it a audio clip. Wait, fudge. Well, please copy this, go here, go here. I'm just gonna make another channel. So here, make this an audio clip too. So yeah, I should have done this when I first made it. So stretch it, then pitch it up. Or I'm gonna pitch it down. And then switch up right here. It's really just about adding variety and keeping it simple. So I didn't really have to switch it up with the octave switch because I already have 2 different melodies. But if you really wanted to make it unique, then you could octave switch. So yeah. Peace and love, y'all.